Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. As you know, spring is in the air. It's coming. So, I'm coming on to share with you another Glam spring/summer decor for 2020. And these are the items that we will be using today. All these lovely items here, which are items from the Dollar Tree and from Totally Dazzled. And we also have items from Walmart. Yeah. And all these items will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see exactly where I got everything from. So I'm going to share with you how I put all these lovely items together, and we are going to make this Glam decor.
I've been waiting for somebody like you. All my life. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through it, hurricane.
Alright everyone, we're going to start by painting this wooden, it's like a flower. Yeah, we're going to be painting it with some silver acrylic paint. Okay, we're just going to paint everywhere and on the inside too, because it shows. And I'll be giving it one coat and let it dry, and then I'll be adding a second coat after it dries. Okay, now we have these mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. We are going to line them up together. Okay, so I'm just flipping them over, and then we're just gonna line them up. 2, 4, 6 mirrors I have. Okay, I'll be using these popsicle sticks and the E6000 and some hot glue. And I'm just going to place the popsicle sticks on the bottom of the mirrors, and then I'll be gluing them together. So now this is all dry with the 2 coats, and I did paint the inside also. And I also have this crystal knob right here that I'll be using, and I also have the stone gems from Dollar Tree. We'll be using both of them to make a decor right here in the center. Now I am just gonna eyeball it. Like I told you, I don't do measures. I just eyeball everything I'm doing. Now I'm using some hot glue to glue it down. And then we'll also be putting the crystal stones going all the way around. So now I'm just placing the hot glue right underneath. It's easier to put the gems in that way, the stones. Just put the hot glue and then put the stones.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She's so vibey, she's so vibey.
And now that's all done, so I'm going to be using these gems here and add some more decor. Okay, in the gems, I'll be just putting some hot glue in the first gem. And then we go right around, and then the bottom gem, which is the last one, I'll be putting some more hot glue in that one also. So just at the top and at the bottom. Because it does have adhesive, so it sticks down very good as long as I seal the first one and the last one.
Right now, 'cause I need a woman that's so vibey. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing. So vibey, she's so vibey.
And now I'll be adding some of these big gems onto our design.
Vibing, it is vibing, yeah. She's so vibey, she's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving. I don't wanna see you walk.
And now some little smaller gems. We're just blinging out our decor.
There's no way that I can do this all by myself. Ooh-wee. You stay on my mind all night.
And now even some little tinier gems I'll be placing onto our decor. I know on Amazon they have a, oh gosh, I don't know if it's called a pen or something that you could use to take up these small gems with. I need to get one. Yeah. I've seen it on Amazon, but I didn't order it yet, but I think I'm going to order it because it's easier to hold the small gems and place them where you want to place them. And now I'll be using our flower bling wrap and put it at the two sides of our decor. One on each side. And I'll also be placing some of the flower wrap that I cut into little pieces going on the inside of our decor here because it will show. So I'm just going to be gluing 4 of the little flowers into the top part here. And here it is, all finished. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see them through our decor. So now it's time to put our mirrored wall sconces together, add our pieces together. So I have the mirror here, and I'm just gonna position. We're gonna put our little flower, I call it a little flower, I don't know, a little flower piece. We're positioning it right here. Like I said, I eyeball everything, and then I'm just gonna use some hot glue and glue it to the mirrors. And now I'll be adding the same gems, which I'll be putting the glue at the top and the bottom only to help hide the lines where the mirrors come together. And then it also glams out our wall sconce even more with these gems.
Recognize you. Real, recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better get with me. Cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. Yeah, I'm waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby, waving. I'm waving.
And now I'll be adding some more of our large gems onto the mirrors, just using some hot glue. Alright everyone, I'm sharing with you here the foam board on the back of the mirrors, which it is better, it's a better hold for the mirrors than using just the popsicle sticks alone. So if you're doing this DIY, please use the foam board that the Dollar Tree sells and just glue your mirrors, cut out the shape to your mirrors and glue your mirrors on it, like how I have this one here. I'm going to go back over my sconce and change them to the foam board. It's a better hold. And here is our finished look, everyone. Our 2 Glam wall sconce. Yes, a nice decor for spring summer 2020. Yes. I think they look very nice. I like the way they turned out. I think they look very nice. I love how it's all glammed out. You know I love the glam. I like a nice, soothed and elegant Decor, I always do. I love it as long as it's blingy and glammy. I absolutely love it, and I think these turned out nice. A nice spring refresh. Yes, for the summer. Our summer decor, we're changing up from the winter scene and adding some nice new items for the spring, and this is a cheap and easy way of achieving that. And here's our decor with the lights out. I just added some LED lights from the Dollar Tree. They're little push lights. And I think it looks absolutely lovely. I like how it looks with the lights out. And here they are up on the wall. Just wanted to share with you how they would look up on the wall, and I think they look very nice. And you can have them spaced out like I did, or you can put them right beside each other, one up, one down a little bit, anywhere you want to place them, or even one on top of the other. You can place your wall sconces any way you like, and I think they turned out very nice. And don't forget to use the foam board like how I showed you. Don't use just the popsicle sticks alone, please. Use the foam board. It gives a better hold and it makes it more firm. So don't forget I said to use the foam board, please, if you're doing this DIY. And I did hang them up with 3 large command strips, 3 on each sconce. I put 3 of the large command strips and hung them on the wall. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's decor, our Glam mirrored wall sconces for our spring/summer 2020 Glam decor. Yeah, I think they turned out very nice. Like I said, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of them. And you know what, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you. And give me a thumbs up. Yeah, press that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.